Hello all. In this video, we're going to check about the translation, rotation, and other 2D transformations in MATLAB software. So let me open the MATLAB code. So you can find the MATLAB code, all the MATLAB codes in the below link. You can find in the description. So let me perform the simple 2D translation transformation. So this is your code. Just copy it. Create a new live script. You can just delete the previous ones and just paste here. You can see there CB checkboard. So I created a local variable. So IM show CB. So image show CB. You can find the image here. CB reference, image reference 2D, size CB. And size CB, the checkboard is the image, which is the default image of in the MATLAB. So it was having the size, it will be taken as the particular size. And this is my transformation matrix, and I'm going to transform affine 2D. So I'm going to take translated versus translated reference, and I'm going to wrap it within the image size, that is the size of the image. Let's see how it's getting solved. Go to live editor and run all. So this is my image and this is my properties of the image. You can see here now it's got moved. Now we have seen the simple translation transformation. You can read this manual. You can find the description of this each and every commands which was mentioned here at the bottom of the program. Let's take a look of the next simple tutorial. Go back to the software, create new M file. We're going to do in a different way now. So I'm going to create dx as 3, dy as 2. We're going to create a point and we're going to create as a matrix and we're going to plot it and we're going to do the transformation matrix. Let's see how it's done. So just run it. Just run an advanced time. You can see how it's getting transformed. It's a simple 2D geometry transform. Now let's do the rotation. So copy this program and create a new live script. Paste it. Just run it. You can see this is my transformation matrix. See how it's getting transformed. This is the image and this is the transformation matrix. See how the image getting rotated. So let's do the rotation in another way. So just copy this code at the bottom. Create a new M file, new script, and paste it. Just run that, run an advance. You can see how it's getting rotated now. So 30-degree rotation. So we created a point and we plot it and we just rotated it. Let's see the scaling now. So just copy this file, MATLAB program, and create a new live script and paste inside. Go to live editor and run all. You can see here now the scaling matrix. See how it gets scaled. You can see 20 to 100. So 5 is the scaling matrix now. Let us do the shear now. Just copy this code and create a new script and paste and run in advance. Can see here how it's get sheared. It's like a melting, the balls get sheared. It's a simple representation of the shear.